Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video I would like to solve one of the leverage analysis questions. Illustration number 29. So here in questions the details given, the following information is available for PKJ and Co. EBIT given 11 lakh 20,000, profit before tax 3 lakh 20,000, fixed cost 7 lakh. EBIT, profit before tax and fixed cost given. Calculate percentage change in earning per share EPS if the sales are expected to increase by 5%. Okay, calculate percentage change in EPS if the sales are expected to increase by 5%. So this is it. Very easy questions. So let's solve this question. First, in order to find out the percentage change in EPS as a result of percentage change in sales, combined leverage should be calculated. Combined leverage need to be calculated. So let's write that in order to find out the percentage change in EPS, that is earning per share, as a result of percentage change in sales, the combined leverage should be calculated. Okay, so in order to find out combined leverage, you also need to calculate what is the operating leverage and what is financial leverage. So first we need to find out operating leverage. Okay, operating leverage, and I know the formula of operating leverage, that is contribution divided by EBIT. Okay, contribution divided by EBIT, but in question contribution not given. Okay, here only EBIT given, profit before tax given, fixed cost given. So as we know that contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost, or you can say operating profit plus fixed cost. Operating profit plus fixed cost. So here operating profit means EBIT given 11 lakh 20,000 and also fixed cost given 7 lakh. So contribution will be how much? 11,20,000 plus 7 lakh. Okay, 11 lakh, 18 lakh 20,000. Okay, so now operating leverage will be contribution, find out 18,20,000 divided by EBIT given 11,20,000. So then operating leverage will be how much? 18,20,000 divided by 11,20,000. 1.625. Okay, operating leverage. Now financial leverage. So what is the formula of financial leverage? As we know, the formula of financial leverage will be EBIT divided by profit before tax. Okay, EBIT divided by profit before tax. So EBT in question given already 11,20,000. Profit before tax given 3,20,000. Then financial leverage will be $11,20,000 divided by 3,20,000 is equal to 3.5. Find out now. Combined leverage. What is the formula of combined leverage? As we know, the formula of combined leverage is contribution divided by profit before tax. You can say PBT. Okay, so here we have already obtained the value of contribution, that is 18,20,000. This one 18,20,000, and profit before tax given in question 3,20,000. 3,20,000 already given. So here 18,20,000 divided by 3,20,000, 5.6875 or 5.69, 5.6875 or 5.69. Okay, so from this we know that the combined leverage of 5.69 implies that for 1% change in sales level, the percentage change in EPS will be 5.69%. Okay, so if the sales are expected to increase by 5%, then the percentage increase in EPS will be 5 into 5.69, that is combined leverage. Okay, so let's write that the combined leverage of 5.69 implies that for 1% change in sales level, the percentage for 1% change in sales level, the percentage change in EPS will be 5%, 69%. When percentage change in sales level 1%, the percentage in EPS will be 5.69 level. If the sales are expected to increase by 5%, then the percentage increase in EPS will be how much? 5 into 5.69 is equal to 5 into 5.69 is equal to 28.45. Okay, answer. The combined leverage of 5.69 implies that for 1% change in sales level, the percentage change in EPS will be 5.69%. Similarly, if the sales are expected to increase by 5%, as per question, if the sales are expected to increase by 5%, then the percentage increase in EPS will be 5% into 5.69, that is 28.545%. So this is it. Very easy question. You just need to revise it and practice as many times as possible. And also remember the important formula, that is operating leverage, financial leverage. Okay, and the mix of operating and financial leverage, combined leverage. You just need to remember all such important formulas and revise as many times as possible. Thank you so much for watching.